The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online at Fashion Premier Academy. Here we go. Okay, so we've learned the pivoting technique. There's one final note. Right now, this waistline dart goes from the apex in this direction, towards the waistline. But what if you say, I'd rather see it going in the side seam, or towards the armhole, or towards the shoulder? You see, you can pivot this one dart in all different kinds of direction. I'm going to take a minute and show you how to do that. Check this out. Okay, so here we go. First, we decide the new direction of the dart. We want to pivot this dart. And let's say we want to pivot it into the side seam. So we pick a point, a little mark, we put a little cross mark onto the side seam where we want the new dart to end up. We line up center front with one of these dots or letters. And we start by putting a little cross mark right on the dotted paper, and we start tracing the pattern all the way around, shoulder, neckline, down center front, until we come to the first leg of the dart. All right, put a little cross mark right there, using the apex as the pivoting point. Okay, always the apex as the pivoting point. We'll take the second notch, the second leg, and pivot so it ends up on top of the first notch, like that. And then trace the remainder of the pattern until we end up where we started from, which is right there. Put a little cross mark right there. Make sure your apex is clearly marked like this. Put a little cross mark right there, and there is our new dart. I'm not going to show you how to true the dart. If you need to refresh your memory, go back to the previous lesson, and then you can establish a new dart. So there you have it. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the courses available at Fashion Premier Academy by clicking the link below. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you will be notified when I post new videos, which is every week. I'll see you in class.